Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to calculate accrued interest of bonds which pay interest only on the maturity. So these are the bonds which doesn't pay interest during the tenure of the bond. So there will be no coupon. So let's work it out. Assume we have taken this data. So issue date of a bond is 1st May 2021. Settlement date is 30th December 2022. Coupon rate we have taken as 6%. Par value is 1000, and as we have previously discussed, par value is equal to the face value of the bond, means the bond is issued at this price. And here the day count convention, we have taken actual by 365. For that we need to choose 3. We will when we will use the formula, I will brief you out more about this. The important aspect is these dates have to be converted into date format. So for that we have put bifurcated it into day, month and year, and then put the formula date these, and accordingly you will get the data in date format. Once again I will show you how to do it. So it equals to select the date, and then in this one you have to put year, then month, and then day, and it will give it in this one. And then you have to format the cell, make it general, so you will get the date format. This is important because this formula does not take what we can understand this format in many of the Excel versions. Though in my latest version there is no problem as such, but in older version probably this issue is there. So you can better convert it into date format and then use it. Now we work out the accrued interest for this intra-security for maturity. So go to the insert function tab, select all, go to accrued interest for maturity. You can see here, return the accrued interest for a security that pays interest at maturity only. So here you can see the difference is M. M is the difference between the previous formula of accrued interest and this is accrued interest at maturity. The previous formula gives you the accrued interest for a settlement which is before the maturity, or where the coupon payments are there. So, but this gives the only accrued interest when interest is paid only on the maturity, not in between. So issue date is 1st, settlement date is 30th December, rate is 6%, then par value is 1000, and then basis is 3. Here you can do a little bit Google for different day count convention. You have to choose the different values. 3 is for actual by 365, 0 will be for 30 by 360, like that you have to put the exact value, and then do it. Okay, so you get the amount that is 9994.52. If you wish to check this formula, then you can simply work it out. So number of days will be this minus this, it gives us 608 days, and you can simply calculate in a normal way. So 1000 multiplied by the number of days, sorry, amount multiplied by interest rate multiplied by number of days divided by 365, it gives you the same amount. So that's how you can check that this formula is the right one. Thank you for watching my video. We'll meet you soon with some other video.